Okay, so here we go. So this video is kind of meant to show you ways you can edit vocals in a way that makes them less muddy and also adds a nice tail to the end of it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of the problem I'm having in a really easy way to kind of get around it. So right here where I'm circling with my mouse, you'll see, there's a lot of vocal layers here. I kind of chop them up. But one issue is I want them to have a lot of reverb and a lot of delay. I want them to have like this ethereal sound. But the issue is they keep smearing over one another and it just makes a very kind of hodgepodge of just sound and you can't really dissect what exactly is going on. So I'll go ahead and play it real quick. Okay. So as you can hear, plenty of reverb, plenty of delay. I mean, we can like turn it off. And here's what it sounds like. So the sample clearly already has some reverb on it. You can see right here. I just felt like it needed more. So one easy tip I recommend to pretty much everyone is you can add delay, you can add reverb, and then you can connect your envelope follower to it. So I added one here as well. And essentially, the louder the vocals get, the lower the reverb and the delay are. So the dry wet signal right here, it turns it down. So essentially less reverb, less delay. And as the volume goes down, more reverb, more delay. It's a pretty cool effect in order to create the sensation of a lot of reverb, a lot of delay, as if it was being played in like some big cathedral or stadium, arena, you name it. So you get that cool effect without the smudging of it. So I'll go ahead and play it again. You'll kind of see what I mean here. And you'll see these things act in real time. So the louder it gets, you'll see this thing dip down. And as the volume fades, you'll see more delay and reverb kick in. Yeah, you can kind of see what's going on here. I might end up just removing this reverb altogether. But no, this is just something felt like sharing. So it's just, you can even put this on live vocals too. So that way, all the transients and syllables come out very clear. And then the moment you pull away, all that reverb, all that delay creeps in and it creates this very nice, lush sound. So just feel free to try it out if you're ever messing with chop vocals or actual singing. It should help a lot in order to avoid muddiness in your mix. And in case you're wondering how it's done, so the way I did it, first add your delay, add reverb, and then I mean, you kind of have to use an ear for this. I decided that when the volume is at 0, that there will be 75% of the total reverb and 75% of total delay. I found that was kind of the sweet spot where it wasn't too, how do I put it, where it didn't have too long of a tail. And then on top of that, I just decided to edit these a little bit. I wanted it to be more pronounced. So if I go ahead and mute it real quick. Okay, so you'll see right here the actual effect of the vocals. And you'll see it in real time right here. So I went ahead and increased it by 6 decibels. I wanted it to have a more exaggerated effect right here. And it doesn't fall very rapidly. I found that gave it kind of a more natural sound. But yeah, just all you have to do really is when you have it ready to go and you kind of have it dialed in, just map it to the dry wet knob on your delay or reverb, and feel free to just dial it in as you feel fit, and it should automatically help. If you like this video or learned something useful, feel free to like, subscribe, or leave a comment.